Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy you're here. Today I'm going over how to get the party started this Thanksgiving or Christmas, or really like any winter party you're going to be having. And by get the party started, I'm talking about having drinks in an app ready the minute guests start arriving, because Thanksgiving is a big day and appetizers are the last thing on my mind. I found this fun recipe for cranberry orange relish that sounds perfect for the holidays. It's kind of like cranberry sauce, but in appetizer form, so don't worry, I really don't think it's going to compete with the cranberry sauce on the dinner table. The best thing about this relish is you can make it the day before and just finalize it the day of. Easy! Serve it with some cream cheese or skip it, it's all up to you. And the great thing is it's not very filling, so it's not like everyone won't be hungry by the time the turkey comes out on the dinner table. Now, what's a party without a cocktail? This year, I'll be serving up an Aperol Spritz to my guests. Aperol is a type of aperitivo, which means it usually is served before a meal and wakes up your taste buds. So in order to achieve this, it's a little bitter, but the cocktail gets lightened up with a little Prosecco and a little bit of club soda. This cocktail really doesn't need to be precise, so your guests can easily make it themselves and adjust it to their liking. So if you're stuck in the kitchen, you don't have to worry about making them cocktails on top of it all. It pairs so well with the dip, you guys. It's like the Aperol Spritz was made for Thanksgiving. So I've got all these recipes linked below for you. Cheers guys, and happy Thanksgiving.